Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, we'll understand the working of N-channel depletion-type MOSFET. In the previous lecture, we understood the difference between a depletion-type MOSFET as well as the enhancement-type MOSFET. And we understood that the major difference between the depletion-type and enhancement-type is that there will be no channel present in an enhancement type of MOSFET, and in a depletion type of MOSFET the channel will be present, either it might be an N channel or a P channel. In this lecture we will consider an N channel MOSFET, which is a depletion type. Now let us connect voltage between drain and source as well as gate and source. So here initially we will take the voltage between gate and source VGS as 0, and we will consider VDS as some positive voltage. We will take some positive voltage. We know source and substrate will be internally connected, and for this terminal drain and source we can connect, and we can make a connection. We will apply positive voltage between drain and source, positive voltage. This voltage we can call this as VDS, which is positive here and negative at this time. And let us apply voltage between source, gate and source. We will make it 0. So this voltage is VGS ground. Now we have made the connection where we have taken VGS is equal to 0 and VDS is made some positive voltage. Now as we can observe here, the drain is connected to positive. Due to this, the electrons in N channel will move towards drain. So the electrons which are present here in N channel, it will move towards drain. This will constitute electric current in the opposite direction of flow of electrons. So the current will flow in this direction through drain, through this channel, and it will go through the source terminal. So we can call the current as ID, as drain current, and source current as IS. As we keep on increasing VDS, as we increase VDS, drain current will also increase, and since we are having two regions, N region and P region here, definitely there will be a depletion region in between these two regions, and depletion region will also increase, and at some point of voltage VDS, the depletion region will increase in such a way that there is a only narrow region between the channel. Hence the current ID will become constant. So let us plot the graph for this. Let us plot the graph. Let us plot this as VDS in x-axis and ID in y-axis. As we keep on increasing VDS, initially current will increase linearly. As the depletion region increases and the channel become narrow, the current become constant, and this is for VGS is equal to 0. This characteristics which we obtained is for VGS is equal to 0. Now let us take the second condition. This is the first condition which we took. Let us take the second condition where we make VGS as some negative voltage. We will connect VGS negative voltage, and VDS is maintained a positive voltage. Now for this, let us take only the gate section to understand this. Let us take only the gate section, the gate along with the channel and the P region. This is the P substrate, this is N channel, and this is the insulation below the gate. And let us take this gate terminal, and we have made this gate terminal as negative. So for this case, what happens, since we are connecting negative to the gate, the electrons which are present in the N channel will move into P region and the holes present in P region will move into N region. This will reduce the majority charge carriers in N region, which means the electrons will be reduced in N channel, and if the electrons are less, then the current will also reduce. So we'll get the characteristics like this. Current will increase linearly. Since there are less number of electrons in the channel, current will be less and it will become constant. Let us say this is for VGS is equal to -1. Now let us take the third case. When VGS is made positive and VDS is made positive, we will keep VDS as positive and VGS will be made positive here. So this condition doesn't exist in the JFET. This condition doesn't exist in JFET. This condition can exist only in MOSFET. So this condition will not exist in JFET. So we should not apply positive voltage for gate and source in case of JFET. We can apply positive voltage between gate and source only in MOSFET. So if we apply positive voltage to gate, let us take the gate region, the region below the gate. We have a P substrate, we have N electrons, and this is the insulation and the gate terminal. This is the gate, and we are making gate as positive, and already electrons are here in N channel. The electron present in P channel, the electrons, few electrons which are present in P channel will move into the N channel due to positive connection of gate. So this will increase the number of electrons, and drain current will also increase. So the drain current increases when we connect positive voltage to gate. So the characteristics will look like this. Current will increase linearly, and after some time the current will become constant for the narrow channel, and this characteristics is for VGS is equal to some positive voltage. Let us take +1 volt. Hope you have understood all the three cases, and you have understood how the current increases and decreases in depletion type of MOSFET. So this characteristics which we have written, it is drain characteristics, and let us plot the transfer characteristics here. So let us take the input and let us plot the transfer characteristics. So this is VGS and this is current ID. So in the previous lecture I have told you how we need to plot the transfer characteristics. It is same as the transfer characteristics of FET, transfer characteristics, and for negative we know positive voltage 1 volt we have applied here VGS. Let us take this 1 volt, so -1 we have taken, 0 volt is there. Again let us draw a graph for -2, let us say VP is 3 volts. So the VP which we obtained, the pinch off voltage is 3 volt. So at 3 volts VGS is equal to -3 volt, current will become constant. So just draw the horizontal line for 1 volt. This is the vertical line here, horizontal line, we got the point here. Again for VGS is equal to 0, we will get a point here. For -1 vertical line, draw the horizontal line, we will get one more point here. And for VGS is equal to -2. Draw the vertical line as well as the horizontal line at -2. We'll get one more point, and for 3 we have got current as 0. Let us join all these points and we'll get a curve which is exponentially growing. This characteristics is the transfer characteristics of N-channel MOSFET, and the region between VGS is equal to 0 and VGS as some positive voltage, that region we'll call that as the enhancement mode. Enhancement mode. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you